Have you ever looked at your life and wondered how you ended up feeling stuck, frustrated, or unfulfilled? Most of us think it's the big mistakes that ruin our lives, but in reality, it's the small habits we let slide, day after day, that quietly chip away at our happiness, health, and potential. These habits don't shout. They creep in, unnoticed, until one day you realize your life isn't where you want it to be. Today, we're going to uncover 5 of the most common habits that can slowly ruin your life, and more importantly, how to start breaking them today. Habit number 1, taking everything personally. Do you assume that every rude comment, awkward encounter, or even someone's bad mood is about you? That mindset is exhausting. Most people aren't focused on you, they're caught up in their own struggles. When you make everything personal, you create unnecessary anger and insecurity. Someone cuts you off in traffic, and suddenly it feels like a personal attack. But in reality, they're just late, stressed, or distracted. Letting go of this habit saves energy and helps you focus on what really matters: your growth and your peace of mind. Habit number 2, trying to control everyone else. It might feel like helping, but manipulating or pressuring others to follow your way erodes trust. And ironically, it robs you of control over your own life. People need to make their own choices, even if they fail. Stepping back protects your relationships and forces you to confront your own challenges instead of hiding behind someone else's drama. Focus on your own path and let others handle theirs. Habit number 3, emotional explosions. Losing your temper can feel satisfying in the moment, but it almost always leads to regret. Yelling at a loved one or snapping at a coworker leaves scars not just on them, but on you as well. Learning to pause, take a few deep breaths, and think before reacting is one of the most powerful skills you can develop. 10 seconds of calm can prevent years of damage and missed opportunities. Habit number 4, constant comparisons. In a world of social media, it's easy to believe everyone else's life is better. But comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel is a fast track to frustration. It minimizes your strengths and exaggerates your weaknesses. Everyone has their own combination of pros and cons, and chasing someone else's life path will only make you neglect your own. Focus on your unique gifts. They are what will carry you toward fulfillment. Habit number 5, fantasizing instead of acting. Daydreaming about the perfect job, business, or lifestyle might feel motivating, but too much of it tricks your brain into thinking you've already accomplished something. You might imagine the rewards, but skip the hard work needed to get there. This habit keeps you stuck in the someday mindset. Real progress only comes when you start taking tangible steps toward your goals, no matter how small. Breaking these first 5 habits isn't about overnight perfection. It's about awareness and action. Stop taking things personally. Let go of the need to control everyone. Pause before reacting in anger. Celebrate your unique strengths instead of comparing yourself, and act on your goals instead of endlessly dreaming. These habits may seem small, but over time, they shape the trajectory of your life. Start today by identifying which one affects you the most and take one small step to change it. Your future self will thank you for it. If you found this video meaningful and interesting, drop a comment below and share your experience. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find this content useful. And as always, thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.